sons. And I'ma go and get some lips for 'em. A couple formulas, little pretty lips on. If I had a dick, I would pull it out and piss on 'em. Shake it off. Just signed a couple deals, might break you off. If we ain't making up, I don't need a mediator. Just let them pumps blow steam with the radiator. This stone is flawless. F1. I keep shooters up top in the F1. A lot of bad bitches begging me the F1, but I'ma eat them rat bitches when the chef comes. Fresh one. More talent in my motherfucking left thumb. She ain't a Nicki fan, then the bitch deaf dumb. You ain't my son, you my motherfucking stepson.